Assalamu alaikum. So in this video we are going to discuss a simple. I will create this thing. Okay, so I can switch screen. Okay, and then this one. Okay, so here we see write code. Here we see output. Here is my previous code. Okay, so first of all, I went def is a function which is used for addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Okay, def I can say add, and there x is first number and y is second number. So here we put this, and second thing, then I will enter space return retu or return x plus y. Okay, so this function we can repeat for whole. We can using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, so I simply copy this code, enter paste, control Z. So okay, if we paste here define, there is separate x and y, return x multiply by x. Here is x minus y, we use for minus y, and here we return and we paste it. And okay, I can backspace it. Okay, backspace x y same as used for multiplication. Okay, so I put simple as symbol and both equal, write both x and y, then we use same function for multiplication and division. Okay, so simply I put uh, this slash for division. Okay, I can put this slash for division. Okay, x and y are def and def adds and was everything. Okay, I see here. So I put backspace print. I will show you this print, and then I would show it select an option. I think I want that this thing will implemented, and okay, if we run, here is the option selected line number 7, def is airspace. Okay, we remove it. Okay, select an option. Okay, now I will print select an option. Okay, we will give here 4 options. Okay, print what is print, क्या करना है ऐसे करके वन डॉट एट वन करना है ऐड के लिए, एंड सेम इट इज print, फिर सेम इट इज टू डॉट ऐसे. सो आउटपुट एज यू कैन सी आउटपुट. ओके, टू डॉट टू फॉर subtract, and here same for okay, we use this columns, it was z, and we use this column to for subtract, sorry, and here we use rotation करके बना हुआ है to for subtract, print, and then we use this line 3 dot 3 for 3 for multiply. Okay, multiply, and here is last option. What is going on? Okay, a last option 3 and print what 4 for 4 we for divide. Okay, okay, here we put 4. Okay, here we put 4 option: addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. If user select an option 1, input is here into 1, and nothing happen. Okay, why? While true is a function where we use while true. Tr while true is a function choice input enter choice 1 2 3. अभी now we use a choice function. Okay, so okay, choice equal to input, or here we put enter the choice, enter the choice, choice, and here is for option 1 dot 2 forward slash 3 and forward slash 4. Here we close it and done. Here is one more thing is here we put a space and here we put while true choice is equal to okay. Here is error, so we put error equal to instead of space. So sometimes it mistake happen. Don't worry. Select an option enter choice 1 2 3. I will choose 1. Enter choice 1 2 3 1. Okay, so next I can see. Okay, this is a basic formula. This is basic function to select choose option. ठीक है, choose put input enter a value. So next time we done if one choose one, then they will add if analysis function. Okay, if I can run sometime if input the out if choice ये क्या ओके फ्रेंड इनपुट लेनी है इनपुट if input if equal to 1 input equal to 1 क्या करना है if input equal to 1 तो फिर क्या करना है x और y को ऐड कर देना है तो ऐड के लिए हमने फंक्शन यूज किया था def add तो आई थिंक इसको नेक्स्ट करें तो ठीक है if input function is 1 print क्या प्रिंट करना है x and plus y इसको रन कर देते हैं स्टॉप print x plus y okay there is error in line number 17 if input if लिखा है वो मौलवी साहब किस हो गए if 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 what is input equal to okay we use double to equal to 1 print x plus y okay now we run this function line number 17 if ऐसे if a equal to 1 sorry input for input so here a is equal to 1 print x plus 1 error is here a is equal to 1 so we can put here this thing okay Statement x plus y we're using semicolon. Okay, sometimes mistake happen. Don't worry about that. X plus y is an issue in line number 17. Okay. Okay. Space and that. Okay, it's done. I use interval. I use one for addition. Enter the choice 1, 2, 3. This is not working. The code is working, but I think if a is equal to 1, so instead of a input, I can say input is equal to 1. So now we run again it. If input is equal to 1, enter the value 1. This is enter to 1, then enter the value 1. This is not working still. Okay, if here I put if something put a is equal to 12, if input is equal to a is equal to a is equal to here I said 12 front x plus y. So there is a not still working. Okay, so this problem you see that this function is not working. Why they are not creating to each other? If I put 1, then they say put the value of x. Okay, here we say put the value of x. Print and here we say put input. Okay, here we take okay. Print equal to input. So we use it enter the value of x and then again print print input. Why input is not read? Input. Okay, now enter the value of y. Enter the value of y. Okay, now time we done. They can say print enter the value of x. Enter the value of x is 12 and now say enter the value of y is 14. Select an option. आपने ऐड करना है 1 प्रेस किया तो they cannot do anything. So अब हमने इस प्रॉब्लम को सोल्व कैसे कर सकते हैं? ऐड x प्लस वाई हो गया, देन रिटर्न टू x प्लस वाई, if और else while और कंटिन्यू स्टेटमेंट जहाँ पे काम आएंगी हमने किया है प्रिंट if एक छोटा सा ब्लॉक भी बना देते हैं, if ब्लॉक कर देते हैं if x dot input greater than or equals that input greater than or 0 से x plus Line number 12 error. What is the input value? So they cannot take it input value. Okay. So you will not write anything. 0. Enter the value of x 12. Enter the y value 14. So line number 12 here is issue. If x is greater than 0, print x plus y. So then they can do x plus y. X is equal to 12, enter, and then y is equal to 14, and select an option with they can also line number 12 में if x greater than if okay we use 2x. Okay, now we run again. Here is extra one line. Okay, so okay, here's the value of x 12, enter into the value of y 14, and then select an option recalls and showing same issue print one, so we can remove it if else statement for no time. Okay, okay, we can run code again. Enter the value of x 12. Okay, here the value of y. So okay, here is a simple way to solve this. Okay, so we can say m is equal to print input value of y, and here we say n is equal to okay, print n is equal to enter the value and print enter the value of y. Print select an option 1. Here we simple add. We can say print and here simple say print a ग्रुप में print a plus b वो फिल कर दे a plus इंटर 12 अगर 14 12 plus a plus b print a plus b. They can print it print a plus b, but is actually we will discuss about all those things in next lecture. Okay, take 21 lines codes. I think that's enough.